This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about drinkware, specifically the Otto glassware collection. We have a few of these pieces out for you. We have the 1 ounce shot glass, the 9 ounce rocks, and the 10 ounce highball. They're made from extra strong tempered blown glass, and it's a high quality, clear, lead-free glass. It features a nice wide rim that's rolled for extra strength, also leaving you lots of room for garnishes, and a nice weighted base, which is fantastic for not only the feel of the glasses, but also for keeping them in place if you're working in a bar environment and maybe the tabletops or counters often have a little bit of extra water or liquid on them, right? So it's a nice little safety feature, and it also makes those glasses much stronger, right? So in addition to this, these glasses have a great vintage look. They have this nice faceted area at the bases, which is fantastic for the grip, but also it offers a nice refractive surface that adds a little bit of sparkle to your environment, but also helps to show off the liqueurs and various ingredients that you're using in your cocktails, right? So it gives a little bit of something extra to your drinkware. They're really strong, meaning that they're even safe to use in commercial dishwashers, making these a great option for use in your home bar if you're looking for something with a great vintage touch, or even in your actual bar, nightclub, or restaurant environment. These are going to be strong, sturdy, durable glasses that'll stand up to heavy use.